Struggling to make your marketing stand out in a crowded market? Well, you're not alone. Without compelling branding, even the best marketing strategies fall flat. In this video, we're tackling a game changer for your business success: graphic design. Whether you're a project manager, a marketer, or just getting started, this video will cover everything you need to know. We'll explore how graphic design goes beyond just looking good. I mean,
did you ever think that maybe there's more to life than being really ridiculously good looking?
It's a powerful tool for communication, branding, and customer engagement. I'm Ivan from Visme, helping you design better for your business. So let's get started. Graphic design is often misunderstood as just making things look nice. While it does involve aesthetics, it's so much more than that. At its core, graphic design is the art of combining text, images, and elements like color and typography to communicate a message visually. And don't worry, we've got videos that dive deeper into all the topics on our channel, so consider subscribing. Whether you're building a website, creating social media posts, or running an email campaign, graphic design, it helps you establish your brand's identity and increases engagement with your audience. In fact, 46% of people say a website's design is the #1 contributing factor and determining factor of credibility for that company. So take a company like Apple, for example. When you visit their website, you are greeted with a very sleek and modern design with great use of contrast to emphasize their highly advanced products. One of the biggest reasons why graphic design is so crucial in digital marketing is its ability to communicate complex information pretty quickly. For example, you have maybe a millisecond to catch someone's attention on TikTok, or if you're driving down the road, see a billboard. Effective graphic design makes sure your message is understood instantly. That means when we talk about marketing, a well-crafted design is your best bet for getting your message across. And it's great that design is visually stimulating, but how can we get those audiences to actually care and be invested in the brand, specifically your brand? One of the most powerful uses of graphic design is in storytelling. Because graphic design communicates messaging faster than normal text, that means that you can tell your story more succinctly as well. A good example is actually here at Visme. In one of our other videos, we analyze the design elements of our logo. Our logo, as an eye, conveys that we are a company and platform meant to help you improve your design skills and produce content at a professional level. Graphic design helps businesses convey this story through font choices, color schemes, and other design elements, allowing them to connect with their target audience on a deeper level. It's important to maintain a unified visual identity across all your channels. So use infographics, custom illustrations, or even video to make your blog posts, articles, and web content just that much more engaging. This builds trust with your audience and encourages them to stay longer on that page. And don't forget about SEO. By optimizing images with alternative text, you can increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results, driving more traffic to your website. But how can you utilize graphic design to actually grow your business and acquire new leads? Once your brand guidelines are in place, it's time to create a graphic design strategy. This strategy defines how your business will use graphic design to meet its marketing goals. Some key questions to consider include: what's your brand's vision and how can your design support that? What character or tone does your brand project and how can this be reflected visually? What design trends align with your brand's aesthetic? And how will you measure the success of your design strategy? By collaborating with a graphic design team, whether it's in-house or an agency or even a freelancer, you can tailor this strategy to your needs and ensure that it aligns with current trends. Social media is one of the most visual-driven platforms out there. Successful brands often have a cohesive art direction, a consistent style and theme across, all of their posts. This is particularly important on platforms like Instagram and YouTube, where your audience scrolls through your content relatively quickly. Creating a consistent visual identity ensures your brand is recognizable in an instant. But it's important to not only have someone who can design graphics, it's just as important for anyone managing your designers to understand design as well. If you want to improve your design skills or judge the quality of the designs you see, it's essential to understand the basics of visual communication. These elements help guide the audience's attention and make your design more effective. So let's break down some of these key components. So let's start with color. Color plays a massive role in setting the tone of your design. Each color evokes a different emotional response or associations. Designers use color theory to create focal points, depth, and a clear visual message. For example, why do you think so many fast food chains use red and yellow? Because it creates excitement, and there's actually studies showing that red and yellow used together, it evokes hunger. That's why you'll see McDonald's is red and yellow, Wendy's is red and yellow, Burger King, Raising Cane's, all your favorite places are red and yellow, so that makes you want to stop by and grab a bite to eat. But if we take blue, for example, blue evokes the emotion of knowledge, trust, and safety. So if we look at companies like Facebook, Ford, Allstate, they create trust in their product. Allstate's slogan is literally, "You're in good hands." And if we finish up RGB, we still have green. Green is going to evoke health, nature, wellness. So that's why you're going to see brands like Whole Foods or Vicks. The products are meant to help you feel good, make you feel healthy, and improve your overall quality of life. Then we have shape. Shapes communicate meaning. For instance, organic shapes like circles often suggest natural movement, while rectangles convey structure and human-made order. There's also typography. Fonts can completely change the feel of a design. Whether it's serif, sans serif, or script font, typography needs to be legible and aligned with your overall design aesthetic. And we can't forget about contrast. Creating contrast helps emphasize certain elements in your design, guiding the viewer's eye and highlighting more important information. Just like Apple's website that we referenced earlier in the video. And visual hierarchy, this is all about arranging elements in a way that ensures the most important information gets noticed first. By using size, color, and position, designers lead viewers through the content in a logical and effective way. And with the average person encountering thousands of ads daily, standing out is more important than ever. Eye-catching graphics are essential for breaking through the noise on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all forms of social media. To capture attention and be memorable, you need to create bold, unique, and visual striking designs. So make sure to brainstorm new ideas regularly and don't be afraid to experiment. Combining creative design with strong copywriting ensures that your social media ads grab your audience's attention and are not just seen, but remembered. And one of the most memorable tactics is motion graphics. Motion graphics are increasingly popular in the digital space. These animations are highly effective in increasing engagement and bringing content to life. Whether used in video ads, social media posts, or on websites, whatever you want to use, motion graphics combine animation, text, and imagery to create a dynamic visual experience on any platform. But I know what you're all thinking. Yvonne, this is great and all, but we don't have enough in the budget to hire a full-time graphic designer. Well, I'm here to help with that, and that's why we created Visme. It's an all-in-one content creation platform that you can use to create professional-level marketing assets like presentations, infographics, brochures, and a whole lot more. So if you're not ready for a design team, Visme's easy-to-use interface can help even people like you create something truly special for your next campaign. And if you'd like to learn more about the principles of design to enhance your skills and maybe get the most use out of Visme, try a free design course at the link down below. I host the design course, so you know you're in good hands. I'm Yvonne from Visme, helping you design better for your business.